Hello and welcome. This is Anupam Sharma. You're watching Biz Rap, and today is a special day. Well, today the Sensex crossed 50,000. Yes, today is 21st January. If you're watching this later, then today the Sensex crossed 50k for the first time. So this is a something. This is an indication that more and more people are now investing in stock market. They are trusting the stock market, and more and more retail investors are now joining stock market. And also there are fears that this phenomenal rise may be some scam, or there must be some correction around the corner, or there is some Harshad Mehta kind of scam developing somewhere. So, well, I'll answer all your questions here today, and Nifty has also done well. It is now near 15,000 mark. So both Sensex and Nifty are zooming, and we've been seeing this since ever since the coronavirus pandemic struck. So let's just delve into it and let's get started. So well, as I told you earlier, just now, few seconds earlier, Sensex has touched 50,000 mark, okay, on 21st January. Now, this is why this is important. A, because people have nearly made 100% return on their investment in just 10 months, okay. And also, if we look at Sensex from the beginning, 1979 to 2021, then Sensex has given 15.5% of interest every year, okay, return on interest every year. Now this is cumulative. Of course, there have been years when Sensex has just dropped like anything, fallen flat like anything, and of course Sensex started at 100, and the point was 100 level in 1979, and today it is on 50,000 mark, okay. So Sensex has Sensex fell down in March 2020 as the news of coronavirus pandemic struck. It went down to the level of 25,000. Now from that level to this level today, 50k, is of course a double. That's why I said 100% in 10 months. Now I'll just start with some reasons why did Sensex why is Sensex rising. Okay, one is that the immediate effect. Sensex was already doing well in these last 10 months, but the immediate catapult was yesterday Joe Biden taking over USA, and after his inauguration, the US stock market just galloped, because they were waiting for a stable presidency. They were waiting for a sane-minded president, or a president who's predictable and who believes in world order and who believes in maintaining friendly relations with other countries. So now Joe Biden seems to be that kind of a president, and that's why after the departure of mercurial Donald Trump, you don't know what he would say when. This is Joe Biden era, and that was the reason why US stock market just jumped up, and that created a ripple effect not only in India but across the world. Stock markets follow each other, okay, and US is an important country. It's a big stock market, stock exchange. So that had a ripple effect. Now this is the immediate reason. Other reasons are that FII's inflow has also increased in India, okay, and also in stock market, which is foreign institutional investors. So they have also invested a lot of money in stock market. One second reason is this. Then third reason is that now there is a number given by exchange that more than 6 crore new investors. Yes, 6 crore new investors have joined stock market in these last 10 months, and these are retail investors, these are small investors. Maybe because there's more information about how to invest in stock market and what to buy and what not to buy, which people like me are giving. I'm not taking all the credit, I'm new here, but there are many others who are educating people, and people are interested. So maybe because of that, people are now flocking to stock market and they are registering. So registration for demat account have gone up, more than 30% in the last 10 months. Yes, you heard me right. And also, women have also now started aggressively participating in stock market. So they are also investing in stock market now, and they are also picking up cues where to invest, where not to invest. And you will be amazed to know that in this women percentage, almost around 30% are housewives. Yes, you heard me right. So housewives are also interesting addition to, and just give you the exact figure of how many, what is the exact number of housewives. So the exact number is that 5 times account opening has gone up by women in 2020 compared to 2019, and 60% of these women are first timers. So they are first time they're investing, with more than 30% of upstock women being housewives. Sorry. And another trend is that more than 75% of the existing customers of demat accounts, demat account openers, are below the age of 35. So we have young people who are now investing in stock market. So this is actually a good thing, because they're young and they're ready to take a little bit of risk. So this is something, and also with the options, with the information of options available to them, they are investing in stock market. They're using that information and investing in stock market. Also, people, now this is another reason, a very significant one. People from 2-3 tier cities, it is not only the top cities, the big cities where people are investing, getting inside stock market. Now people from smaller cities are also investing in stock market, and majorly from Surat, Jaipur, Nashik and Ahmednagar, sorry. So Surat, Jaipur, Nashik and Ahmednagar. Now these are 2-3 tier cities, and these are 4 cities from where more people are there. Of course, there are other cities also from where people are investing. So this is another big, huge development which has led to so many a surge in the number of investors who are registered with BSE by, this is the data till 21st January 2021. Okay, so now this is the reason why BSE and NSE have smashed all records and just galloped. Okay, now if you might be thinking, it's like maybe a longer video now, I'll quickly say that experts are saying that don't worry and don't think that this is a bubble, because investors are, retail investors are real. They are not, these are not inflated numbers, because now you have to have a demat account to invest in stock market. So there is a record of who is investing in stock market. So these investors are real, and also many companies have posted good results in Q2 and Q3 of 2020. Yeah. So that is the second reason why you should not fear. And third reason is that many banks have good balance sheets now. They are amending their balance sheet, they are getting better. So these are 3 reasons which most of the I was reading a lot of experts, and I spoke to a couple of them, and they all said the same thing, that you should not fear that this is not real. This is a bubble. This 50K mark is a bubble. But these are some facts which you have to know, that why you can be a little assured that this can be a real growth in stock market or jump in stock market. And also significant policy reforms, and along with recent focus on attracting foreign investments and developing the Indian manufacturing sector is also one of the reasons. Okay, so there are reforms coming up after one after the other. The government is just going after reforms. So that also leads to a lot of investors coming in, businesses developing, looking forward. So that is another reason why BSE is rising. Whenever there are job opportunities, wherever there is investment, whether companies are growing, there are job opportunities which lead to increase in demand and supply, which further increase the consumer demand. So it's a cycle, it's a circle, which one hits the other one triggers the other. So it's a ripple effect kind of a thing. So this is a wrap on today's Biz Wrap. I could not talk about any other thing because this took a lot of time. It's already crossed 11 minutes. So I'll talk about other news later on. But I want to assure you that you should invest in stock market if you have not. And yes, one thing which experts also say, that you have to be a little cautious. You have to have good research when you invest in a stock. This I've been saying over and over again. And invest in good companies which are reliable. There are many shares now. There are many companies, mid-cap companies, where you can invest money. You don't have to go after blue chips. And also research, keep a watch, and also don't put all your money in stock market. And you will do well. The stock market is doing well, and it is likely to continue its bull run. There would be some correction around the corner, which is an opportunity to buy, as I always say. So this is Anupam Sharma wrapping up this wrap today, and hope you have good investing time, and take care, and bye bye.